Introduce highlight features and overview summary of ZAGO 2 Quarts Electric Small Air Fryer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. It complies with strict UL safety standard for USA market, coming with red and black color for customers' wise choice. Using SUS202 heating element and overheating protection parts, high standard quality control during production ensuring the high quality of the product. It's safe with detachable BPA-free basket, auto shut-off function and temperature control, double protection circuits for watching the frying food in any time, no safety concern in use. Following easily the recipe guide on the panel, put the food inside the fry food pan. Adjust the temperature button from 80 degrees to 200 degrees and time button till 30 minutes and wait for the nice food coming out until you hear the jingle sound. i.e. chips fried in 15 minutes and 1 kilogram chicken breast roasted in 20 minutes. Make sure you see the indicator light working and best to prepare the food first, for example, place some honey and salt on the chicken wing. It's just 2.0 quarts in size, small and compact, powerful as 1000 watts of power used and with very nicely smooth housing and sprayed handle and panel. Perfect to place onto the small corner of the kitchen, no big space demand to put in and great for less food demand in smaller families. It works nicely for most of the food we have in daily life, for example, seafood i.e. fish, shrimps, and French chips, chicken, steak, ribs, egg tars and even vegetables and more. Coming out with fat and oil-free food comparing with the deep-fried food which is healthier and more eco-friendly. Turbo Air ensures evening cooking via 3D heating from high-temperature grill, food becomes crispy outside but juicy inside. Feels cool and comfortable while touching the housing and handle when the fryer is operating. Removable non-stick coating food pan and oil separator are easy to clean and could be washed together with the handle by water and also dishwasher. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.